In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hashtag sticker on your TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and then hit at that big plus sign icon to start creating a video. Now you can use your camera to record some video, or you can hit right here at upload icon to upload some video from your camera roll. I'll just check mark that video and I'll hit on next. Now here I can tap at stickers icon, and here I can easily find that hashtag sticker. I can hit on that and now I'm able to enter any hashtag here that I want. I will just put in peace and then I can tap on done. Now I can move that sticker around, I can place it wherever I want, I can scale it and also I can rotate it, and once I'm done I can continue creating that video as I normally do. So I can add here some effects or some text or whatever, and then once I finished with that I can hit on next and then I can tap at post to share this video with my followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.